Hi everyone, this is Kathy Miller from Hagan Realty. Welcome to 127 South Market Street in downtown Frederick, Maryland. This 4-bedroom, 6-bathroom, yes, 6-bath. This 6-bath house is located in downtown Frederick, and it is the hot spot of downtown. Let's go inside and we'll take a look. It is beautiful. One of my most favorite parts of the home is this luxurious bathroom. I mean, really, look at the tub, look at the shower. It is stunning in here. So another great feature about our home is we have 2 designated parking spots that are right inside, and you're covered 20 feet from the door. So thank you so much for coming out for the tour of the home. This is Kathy Miller from Hagan Realty. 127 South Market Street is really just a beautiful, beautiful home. Give me a call, schedule a showing. With Hagan Realty, you'll be moved.